Bruce's picture and sentence book. Bruce just finished his picture and sentence book and he's going to read it for the camera.
I see the man.
I see a mad dad. Oops.
I see the burger down.
I see a McDonald's burger.
I see the baby, the beep.
I see a boy sleeping.
I see the
Can you do that again for me? I see who?
la.
Oh, Marcella? Okay.
I see mommy, mom.
I see mommy.
I see the bee.
I see a bug.
Bug. I bug mouse. Bug mouse.
I see Bruce and Mickey Mouse.
I see the baby girl.
Good, Bruce. I see a baby girl.
I mommy pool.
Is
Mommy
in the
mommy pool.
pool. Want to read it again?
Yeah.
Okay, read it one more time. Go.
The
Oh, no? Okay, that's fine.
I see the
I see a gorilla.
and the brown.
Good job, Bruce. Give me 5. Say bye.
Bye.